welcome back to Good Morning Boss. Mga boss, mahalaga pong nabibigyan natin ng parangal at recognition ang mga magigiting nating professionals dito po sa ating lipunan. Aalamin natin ang 2015 Search for Joy or Journalists of the Year. Let us all welcome our very special guests. This morning we have Ms. Yasmin Mapuwatang, Executive Director, Probe Media Foundation, and also Mr. Christopher Bugawan, Program Officer, Metrobank Foundation. Good morning. Welcome to Good Morning Boss.
Hello. Good morning.
Alright, so it's really important na ma-recognize natin ating mga journalists kasi we all know na hindi naman madali ang kanilang mga trabaho. So this year, it's actually biannual event. Magkakaroon tayo ng 2015 Search for Joy or Journalists of the Year launch. So can you tell us more about this?
Sige. So the Journalists of the Year is a biannual search. So the last search was 2013 and before that it was in 2001. Pero mamaya na yung history. It's really recognition to honor those journalists na gumagawa ng storya na nagko-contribute sa positive change. So alam mo yung mga storya, araw-araw may mga fina-file ang journalist ng storya. Lahat ito really make an impact sa lives ng mga tao, sa community, maski na sa bansa. So, we want to recognize these people whose stories were powerful enough na may nagawang change sa ating bansa, sa ating nation.
Ms. Tang, you've mentioned about biannual event. So, every 2 years, Journalists of the Year ang hinahanap natin or iba't ibang mga profession?
Basically, ang Metrobank Foundation is into honoring key professions who are into nation building. So we have the Search for Outstanding Teachers. We have the
iba-iba kada.
It's actually a different program from the usual program that the foundation is currently doing. So ito yung panibagong sector na ino-honor ng Metrobank Foundation.
So
ang kaibahan lang is yung Outstanding Teachers, Police at mga sundalo every year siya. So this one is every 2 years kasi yung unang taon ng search yun yung pagpaparangal at yung pangalawang taon yun yung Metrobank Foundation Fellowship in Journalism kung saan yung tatlong mananalong Journalist of the Year ay iikot sa buong Pilipinas para mag-lecture sa mga future or would-be journalist. Kumbaga,
okay,
mga
now I get it. So, sino yung mga qualified journalists? Paano natin sila nahahanap? Yeah. Is this all over NCR? Ano?
Okay, so it's a nationwide search. So from Luzon to Mindanao, welcome yung journalists. Kailangan at least 10 years sila sa industriya, Filipino, at may maisasubmit na nomination form at 5 storya, 5 of their best works in the last 10 years. So from January 2004 hanggang December 2014, magpipili sila ng 5 best stories na nag-exemplify ng shaping the nation towards positive change.
So this is more of nomination. Nominate mo yung tingin mo nga karapat-dapat dun sa award.
Pero yung journalist, pwede mag-self-nominate. So, pwedeng application siya. Okay lang yun. And very welcome siya.
So far, ilan na yung members natin or yung mga nominees natin?
Bali, simula pa lang ito ng call for public nomination. So, ito pa lang yung simula. So, basically, we are encouraging everyone. It's an open nomination process. So, even if you're a regular citizen, you can nominate your bet to the search.
So the requirements are just 5 stories and then
yung
the
nomination
application form.
Yung nomination form can be downloaded sa Facebook page namin, andun yung links, or sa bit.ly/2015joy.
Alright, kasi some of our journalists baka mamaya nahihiya sila.
Yes,
so what do you think is the advantage that they can get from this or anong mabe-benefit nila from this search?
Sige. It's a very wonderful benefit. For one, the cash prize is very generous. It's 300,000 pesos cash prize. Aside from that, they are given the fellowship in journalism where they are able to share their expertise and knowledge in the next year sa iba't ibang schools and colleges and universities around the Philippines.
Alright, so parang marami naman pala silang makuha, not just exposure, and of course, I believe marami silang matututunan or makukuha from this experience. Anong age range yung mga pwedeng sumali?
Basically, as long as 10 years or more ka ng journalist. So,
yeah, so no age. Kung nag-start ka ng journalism ng 10 at saka 20 ka ngayon, pwede kang sumali. So basta, as long as the person has 10 years in journalism, practicing full-time journalism, as yun yung main source of income niya. So pwede siya.
Alright, so kung yung Probe Media and of course yung Metrobank Foundation, nag-recognize tayo ng mga ganitong klase ng mga tao, ano yung sa tingin natin yung gusto nating mensaheng ipahatid sa mga tao for those people na nag-a-aspire maging katulad ng mga journalists na makakasali dito sa search na ito?
Sige. Well, it's important to know that stories can change lives. Your stories can change lives. All of you here in the morning show also. And we want to encourage aspiring journalists na kailangan butihin nila ang storya niya, maging mabuti silang mamamahayag, kailangan responsable sila at ethical. And sometimes they're working hard doing the story, searching for the truth, pero hindi sila nare-recognize. That's why Metrobank and Probe partnered to be able to recognize yung magagaling talaga sa industriya, yung gumagawa ng storya na nagpapabuti ng ating lipunan.
Well, you know what, that's right. Kasi may mga iba dyan, hindi naman kasi sila mainstream or talagang napapansin, pero magagaling sila. So this is a perfect venue, itong search na to, para mas mapalawig, mas mapakita yung talento, husay at galing ng mga journalists sa ating bansa. And I guess, napakaganda nito because from there, marami silang may inspire na mga kabataan sa ngayon. Ano ba for you, bilang for Metrobank Foundation, since I'm sure marami ka nang nakasalimuhan ng mga journalists, ano yung tingin mong hirap or yung ma-experience na pinagdadaanan nila?
Well, first, we want to make it a nationwide search. So marami kaming, ang gusto namin ngayon is ma-recognize din yung mga journalists from the regions. Basically, they're the ones na mas nag-face ng mga death threats. And so, mas gusto namin makilala din yung mga nasa probinsya kasi hindi kadalasan ang mga nakikita ng nating mga works would be from the national TV, national radio, and of course from the print. So, ang goal namin ngayon is to actually extend the recognition to all regional journalists out there. So we're planning to go around the country and introduce the search to them and encourage them to join the search. So basically, we want to recognize, kumbaga, journalists na may integridad. At the same time, yung personal qualities din na tinitignan din namin. And bukod sa 5 works na kailangan nang isubmit, so we want also to promote yung mga positive stories that shape the nation.
Okay, I was supposed to ask that because I would ask sana more than the recognition, ano yung objective or yung goal ng search na to? And you've mentioned about to promote the positive stories na pwede nilang magawa. After this, kunyari na-award na sila, anong future plans ng Probe Media and Metrobank Foundation for them? Meron bang nag-aantay na projects and programs for them or future work para sa kanila? What are your plans for them?
So, just like last year, ang na-award, 2 years ago sa 2013, ang na-award si Ms. Malu Mangahas of PCIJ, Jarius Bondoc of STAR, and Jiggy Manicad of GMA.
Wow! So sila kahit yung noon, pwede talaga. Anyone can really join.
Anyone.
Okay.
So, radio, TV, print, online. Lahat ng mga journalists doon pwedeng sumali. So, ang mangyayari, after the search, i-interviewin sila, may mga series of reviews and ratings, at saka lahat ito, confidential. So, kunyari, kung sino yung na-nominate, kung sino yung nakarating sa finals, hindi malalaman ng public. Ang alam lang yung core group. So, it's very discreet, very private. So, parang hindi rin nakakahiya if you win or don't win, ganon. And then, after the awarding, they go around yung country to report, and then to lecture, and then after that they go up. They have to do their own work also and continue the good work that they've been doing.
Alright, so ang dami naman palang benefits na maaari nilang makuha dito, and it's nice thing to know that this is really confidential, na hindi mahihiya kapag sumali, malalaman, ay natalo ako. Siyempre, kahit papaano, may mga nahihiya na ganun. Kaya nga, di ba, kanina tinanong ko, baka may ibang nahihiya sila. So this is really more of to encourage them. At this point, do you have any message to our viewers at encourage sila? Would you like to invite them? Kung may mga kilala sila na tingin nilang ang galing, pero nahihiya pa sa ngayon na i-nominate nila, kung paano yung requirements and steps?
Ako na mauna, Miss Yasmin. So, sa darating na Feb 26, we will have the public launch of the search. So, we would like to invite practicing journalists to attend the orientation session that would be at Annabelle's Restaurant from 9 a.m. to 2 p.m. So, yun.
Yeah, and if you have journalists in mind, please contact them and ask them to submit their materials or to inquire with us. Yung email address namin is metrobankfoundation.joy@gmail.com. At hanapin din kami sa Facebook. Andun lahat ng updates, ng balita, ng lahat ng mga information andun.
All right, thank you so much for joining us this morning.
Thank you
was
very
Ms.
much.
Yasmin Mapuatang, Executive Director, ProMedia Foundation, and of course, Mr. Christopher Bugawan, Program Officer ng Metro Bank Foundation. Good luck, and of course, congratulations in advance sa inyong search for Journalists of the Year.